Hello everyone, welcome to Thesis 123. I learn and teach online. Now I am going to teach you formatting a Matlab plot using Matlab plot editor. Previously we have already discussed about formatting of Matlab plot using commands, but now I am going to discuss with using Matlab plot editor. So we can represent title, X label, Y label, legend, font type, font size, XY limit, etc. of the plot. And at the end of this video, I am also discussing about how to copy the figure, a Matlab figure, and paste into the Word document. Maybe it may be your thesis or dissertation or your journal paper, so that it will clearly visible to the as per the format. As we all know that this is the general plot representation with the plot title. You will have a X label, Y label, and also to represent some information in the plot itself, you will have text label, and you will also legend. If you have more than two lines, then you can represent what line is represents for what. So here it is, one is theory, one experiment, like this. And also you will have to distinguish between two lines. You will have a markers. So this all things can be represented by using Matlab commands or Matlab plot editor. So this is the description of the Matlab plot editor. So let us see, first to highlight the Matlab plot editor in the figure window, first you have to click here. There is an arrow here. So first to start the plot edit mode, you have to click here. Then after that, by clicking here, you can get the legend on. Legend will automatically appear, and also by using here, this is the color filling of this background, and here inside of the plot, and also outline of this. This is belongs to this line is mark is you can change the color of this outside, and also you can by using insert, we can also use the X label, Y label, title, etc. And we can also insert the some rectangle or circle, or you can also text box inside. I can also use the line, arrow, text arrow with text, both sides arrows, etc. We can use it. And also by clicking the right clicking on the plot line, then you will get all this kind of description: cut, copy, delete, color of the line, you can change line width, line style, markers, marker size, and properties of this all, and what is the coding of this plot will be appear. So let us take one example. So in this example, we have xy data. So we have xy, and we have already used, this is one, and we have already we have given all the labels by using the general Matlab commands. The X label, Y label, title, legend, all are given, and line specifications, red color with the dash line with circle, markers, line width 2, like that, all are given. And I will just execute this one. So this is the plot we are getting this, and the same representation of using Matlab commands can we represent with a Matlab plot editor. Now I am closing this plot. Now I'm just having a plot of x comma y. So this is the, whenever you plot a plot between two x and y, you will get a plot window like this. Now I want to use the plot editor to change all of this. So here this is the one, whenever you click here plot edit, so it will come to edit plot. So editing mode it will come. Then you can select anything, a line or axis or like that, you can do that. And if it is not there, if it is not selected, then you anywhere if you click, there is no, then nothing will change here. And whenever you click here, it is plot edit mode. And you can here if you come here, X label, Y label, title, legend, color bar, some line, arrow, text, all different things can be inserted here. And also we can use copy, paste, cut, copy, delete, select all, like this. And also now to get you have to highlight the one more here, come to the plot edit toolbar. When the plot edit toolbar, you will get some extra toolbar where you can see this one. If I, and again I will show you once again, if I, by default the plot will come like this, but when you give this click here plot edit toolbar, you will get one extra one. By using this, what we can do, we will see that. So if I click inside of this plot, if I change this color, then this color will change. See, otherwise this by default is white, and outside also you can change. Outside color is change, by default color is like this. So like this we can change the color, and also we can see the color. So edge color of the, let us take, you can also select some area. By selecting the area you can also change the color. Now let us take, so color is somewhere red color, I want to change red color, so I have changed the red color. So I am aligning, changing. I mean, if you have a text also you can change that one. And similarly you have a line, you can draw the line here, or you can draw a arrow, you can draw two-sided arrow to represent one, and also arrow with text. Arrow with text is text you can write here, and only just text you can give, and you can draw some rectangular or a square, and you can also say, you can also draw a circle kind of thing. So based upon your requirement you can do that. And also text alignment, if you have a text, the text alignment middle, and also you can give text color. So what color you text color you can give. So text color is text color, text type, what type of color you want to what type of font name. So font name is Times New Roman or Arial, whatever it is, and bold, and size of this, size of the font is we can change. So like this we can change all the parameter properties of this plot. And also we can, you can also by selecting the brush or select particular data selection portion, select some particular portion and click here, and you can change that color. So let us take, I want to change the selection some portion, so I am changing this portion. By using this brush you can, only particular portion of the plot can be change, we can change the color. And this is the three-dimensional, this is the one legend, so we can use legend of the, so if it is not there, the legend will disappear. If you click here, this legend will come. So this is a color bar. If you click the color bar, the side color bar will come. So it is not required for us now. And then it is a this is the data cursor, where we can see the what is the curve values. So if you click on this, if you next data like this, every point you can see that. And this is the rotate three-dimensional. You can pan, you can move this plot, you can zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, and also selecting this data, and print, save, all these things. Now I am coming to the complete plot editor. I just go to that. Again I am just closing this window, and I am plotting plot of x comma y. I am using this plot x comma y. Now I am starting the plot edit mode. So by clicking this, just double click this plot, or go to the view plot property editor, both, anything can be. So you can double click. When you double click this, automatically a next property editor mode will come. Now when I click here, then all the details of the plot is x label, y label, z label, font of the this outside of the curve. Now I will change x label is time, so time is appeared, y label distance, and z label, z is not there, font. So I want to use this outside the plot, font Arial. So Arial somewhere, some Arial font with font size is around 14 is changed. And font angle, so whether it is you want so what type of font angle you want to use. So just I'm making bigger size, so normal, italic side, or something like that. Or in this one is weight, how much is you want to give the bold. So like that, it is changed. Now I want to change the title. Title is here. Let us see. Title is plot of the time versus distance. So I have given the plot. So title of this one. So now like this, I have given the plot x label, y label, title, and all. Now I am coming to the title. Just I want to change the title here. So title is even this side is it is for the property inside of the this title box. Let us take, if a line style is if you want to keep some line, so you can use line style. So line style of this one is, let us take, the color is of like this, edge color is line like this, and you can fill this color with some green color, and you can have a different types of line. So you can see that line how it is, title is with some outside color. So I don't want this, so I just remove this. So again, going for title is time versus distance. So now with this title one, if I click this, so this is the one property of that box, and this side is for the how to change this one. So it is some times New Roman, it is, and using 14 size, and then it is bold and normal, and the color is of red. So I am using red color. I can also increase some more, around 16 like this. Similarly, you can just use for distance 14 some times New Roman, and the color is red, and the weight is bold. Similar time also I am changing some green color, bold 16, and some many other some other you can use as it is. Okay, so like this I have changed all the parameters of this one. Then I am coming to the line. So I am changing a line. When I click on the line one, so all the details I will come. So this side is for the changing of the plot. So line is here, line is given, it is for what type of line is. So it is a type of line is dash line, and the color I am going for red color. The width of line is 2. Similarly, the marker, I want to use the marker of circle, and size is of 10 size, and the color of the marker, fill in of that color is green color, inside color, and the outside of this one is black. So when I click here, so you can get like this. And also you can also see the grid on only one grid lines are with x axis with respect to x axis, grid lines only with respect to y axis, and z if it is a 3D plot. So x grid on, you can also do this. So like this we can add this, and also I want to add some more information. View property plot edit toolbar. So here it is there. So now I want to give, I am giving text somewhere here, text. This I can move by holding this one. So it is, I can give here, and this one I can remove by just using the delete tab, delete, and I am writing this one as, so local minimum like this, and also change this text, what type of text you want, color and all you can also change. So text is, color is of some blue color, size is bold, font is 14. So like that you can change all the font size and font. So we can represent exactly what we have done in the case of Matlab plot commands by using plot rating of this one. So the same much more flexible way we can do with Matlab plot editor. And coming to the legend, if you use legend here, so already legend is, so we can drag this legend anywhere convenient you want. And earlier it is there, it is by default 1, 2, 3 and 4th place, and if it is -1, this is outside, and 0 is the where minimum. So actually in the previous video it is here, but also you can also put outside. So here it is there one location where you want to put, so you want to put here, you want to put somewhere here, like that. So we can have more options in this. So otherwise by default is like this. So like this we can get the complete control of the Matlab plot before copying this plot into your documentation. And also you can represent, you can also use all these properties for your better representation of your results. Now coming to the, so let us take this example, already we have discussed all, and general better way is use this code for after getting your plot. This code is just handling of the handles of the object. So plot, find object with a and all the access given, access and lines and text, and all are given uniformly set with all the standard formats of your required document. Like we normally write a document with the Times New Roman with the font, line width, and for the clear visibility we all use this access, lines and text. So if you use this end of the each plot, then you will get a just I will run this plot for you to feel what is the difference of this. So if I plot x1 x comma y, if I have, so plot of x comma y, so this is my plot of x comma y. So I'm outside of this, and then if I run this one, then I will get like this. So complete information is here. So you can I just remove this. So you can you just directly copy and paste into your document. So here there is an important one I want to tell you, all of you. Just again I will close this window. I will run this one, CLC. So this is the one I got. After my plots have come, then I run this code and I got this plot. So now I want to paste this plot into my documentation. So copy figure, go to our Word documentation, and if you paste here, so you are getting like this. So it is very clear and visible. But in case if you are changing the size of this one like this, moving or dragging like this, then visibility of the plot will get lost. So then what we can, in the generally in the transactions and journals, we have to give the plots of small size. So when you make the small size, then all the details in the plot is we can't see clearly. So visibility of the plot is we lost. So what we have to do is, then what you can do, you just go for the go for this corner and try to make the plot as minimum as possible as per your required size. Let us take, I want a plot of this size somewhere here I want to present. Then you just make it that, or you can make something like this. Then you copy it same size. If you want to make like what is the difference, I'll show you. So I'm just making it for same size of this one. Now I'm copy the figure and paste below it. See that, so how clearly it is there. So whereas in the same previously case, if you have done this one, so the visibility of the plot is not, is blurred, and it is the pixels and all, it's not properly pasted. But whereas it is whereas in the current one, by resizing of the plot, then if you copy and paste in the Word one, then it is it really gets clear visibility of all the properties. Let us take, if you go to, if you have a, let us take you have a only 2 column text. If you have, then let us 2 column one, I'm going to this. Then in that case, when you want to paste it, just do it. So similar, so it is very clearly visible to us. So like this, when you are copying from Matlab figure from direct after getting the plot, and just see that what is the size is required, and just modify the size of this one, and then copy and paste into the document. So finally, thank you very much for watching this video. Visit our site, this is 123.com, for class notes or any clarifications. Or please, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also send your queries to info@this is123.com. Don't forget to click below, like, or give the feedback so that we can improve the videos in the future. Thank you and have a good time.